Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to open Windows 11 settings or if it is crashing, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart Windows Explorer. Now for this, press Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard. So press Ctrl Shift and Escape key on the keyboard, and this will launch Task Manager. Now over here, find File Explorer, Windows Explorer. So here you can see Windows Explorer, make a right click and then click on Restart. Once this is done, now you can try to open Windows settings. Still not working, you can press Windows plus I on the keyboard. Try this, Windows plus I, and try opening Windows settings. If you're able to go to Windows Update, you can click on check for update. Once everything is installed, then restart your PC. If that does not work, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description, these two commands. For this, again, you have to press Ctrl Shift Escape key on the keyboard. This will open Task Manager, and then go to Run New Task, click on it, and over here type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click, put a check on create this task with administrative privileges. Put a check over here, type in CMD and then click on OK. Now over here, copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. The scan will take some time. In my case, it is already done. So once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, then you can restart your PC. You can if you're able to restart from here, you can restart from here, or you can press Ctrl Alt and Delete, and then you can go to the lock screen, and from there you can restart. Still not working, again press Ctrl Shift Escape and you can run these two commands. Now so press Ctrl Shift and Escape. This will again open Task Manager, click on Run New Task, and over here type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then put a check over here. Make sure that you put a check over here. You have to launch PowerShell as an administrator. Click on OK, and then copy the first command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time, and during this process you might see some errors in red color. So if you see errors in red color, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red, and then again you can restart your PC and then check. If that does not work, you can again copy the second command. Again you have to open Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard, and then go to Run New Task. Again you have to type in PowerShell, put a check over here, click on OK. But you run this command once the first command is complete and once you restart your PC. If that does not work, then you can run this command. Hit the enter key. Once this is done, again restart your PC and then check. Still not working, you can update Windows 11 using Media Creation tool. If nothing works, you can do this. Press Windows plus R on the keyboard. When you press Windows plus R on the keyboard, it will open Run box. Now in the Run box, you can type in Microsoft-Edge. Now this is provided in the video description. Paste it over here, click on OK. This will open Store. Now over here you can or you can simply you can open this link. So once it is open, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website, and then scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then you can run this exe file. Now click on Accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on Finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on Setup file, click on Yes to allow, click on Next, click on Accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can open Windows settings. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to launch Windows setting successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.